A look at new consolidation, year-end figures from Fastenal and Grainger, and an exclusive interview with our newest staff member, a familiar face to many of our readers. All of this and more in today's installment of the Industrial Distribution Video Market Report. Hi, I'm Anna Wells, and welcome to today's installment of the Industrial Distribution Video Market Report on IDTV. A quick recap of the acquisition activity since mid-January shows a slowdown since our last newscast report. SKF announced the company has signed an agreement to acquire German-based ship components provider Blohm+Voss Industries from Star Capital Partners. FCX Performance has acquired Pierce Pump Company of Dallas. FCX itself was acquired in October by Harvest Partners, and company president Charles Hale says he anticipates closing additional acquisitions in fiscal year 2013 with the support of Harvest Partners. Finally, Kaman has sold 7 of its Canadian branches to Wajax Industrial Components, a leading Canadian national industrial distributor. According to Steve Smidler, president of KIT, his company has worked with Wajax in the past and looks forward to strengthening that relationship in the future.
Grainger announced last week that it has closed 2012 with record sales of $9 billion, up 11% from 2011. According to Chairman, President, and CEO Jim Ryan, the company invested an additional $70 million in expanding its product line and sales force, enhancing e-commerce capabilities, increasing inventory management services, and expanding its international presence. One milestone that was particularly notable: Grainger posted $2.7 billion in e-commerce sales, representing 30% of total company sales and an increase of 23% versus the prior year. While Grainger focuses on the web, Fastenal is still full speed ahead with vending solutions, along with the brick-and-mortar business model that has built its strong brand. Besides opening 80 stores in 2012, as well as implementing over 21,000 Fast Solutions industrial vending machines, Fastenal announced net sales were up 13.3% for the year 2012. Other industry-wide financial results of note include another record 2012, this time from 3M. Sales rose 4.2% year-on-year to $7.4 billion, an all-time fourth quarter record. Airgas reported sales and earnings growth for its third quarter ended December 31st, 2012. The company cited third quarter organic sales up 4% and its distribution segment organic sales up 2% over the prior year.
Industrial Distribution closed last week with a big announcement. For those of you who missed it, we are thrilled to announce that former editor Jack Keogh has rejoined the team as contributing editor for the brand. As editor-in-chief of Industrial Distribution between 1984 and 2010, Jack was responsible for the overall strategic direction of the magazine. He is also credited with launching some of the brand's most popular editorial segments, including the highly respected Big 50 list of industrial distributors. In his reprised role, Jack will be writing a regular column in the print magazine, offering detailed analysis of distribution company activity and performance, as well as its impact on the future of the industry. He will also provide regular blogs in the brand's daily e-newsletter, Today in Industrial Distribution, as well as participate in webinars, videos, and much more. Today we have Jack on the phone to give us his perspective on his recent opportunity to rejoin the Industrial Distribution team. Jack, welcome back. Tell us a little bit about why this industry is so important to you.
I'm very excited to be back working with the ID staff once again. Distribution is such an important industry, and it's responsible for so much of the GDP. Industrial distribution has been around for over 100 years, and, we've covered all sorts of issues. And if you take a look back at what Elmer Crawford, the first publisher of Mill Supplies, which was the precursor of industrial distribution, wrote in 1911, but the reason for the magazine's existence was to discuss the problems arising between manufacturers and distributors. And he wanted distributors and manufacturers to awaken thought and action so that they could improve the mill supply business. And that's something that industrial distribution has strived to do, and I'm excited to be working with them in that endeavor.
Well, we're certain the ID readers will be thrilled to have you back in the mix.
I've gotten to know over the years so many people within the distribution sector, and I consider them not only business associates, but good friends as well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing and working with them again.
Thanks, Jack. Be sure to stay tuned for our upcoming print issues, e-newsletters, webinars, and videos for more from Jack Keogh.
And that's all for today. You can find more late and breaking distributor-focused information on the web at www.inddist.com. And if you have any ideas for future topics for us to cover, please leave your comments below. From all of us here at Industrial Distribution, thanks for watching.